cleaned it alright for that little bit there, but I'll just leave that. Some of the post drills, they have a bolt hole here and a little bit off the table, so you can hinge it out the way. This one may have had a bit to a clamp here, but I've seen a lot of them, they clamp under here, so my idea is to cut down a bolt and attach it like that. Because the Champion 200.5 clamps like that. I'm not sure, that may be a lathe faceplate and somebody's using it as the table. I'll just put that through like that and I'll fill that with weld there. Probably do a weld around here too. There we go, that looks about correct. I'll just go make a bit across the bottom to hold it. And then this piece goes under here to clamp the table down. There we go. I got this a couple of years ago but didn't finish the table until just now. It's just for display though, I'm not going to use it. And then I got the other big Champion one here. I had to fix this up a little bit too. I was going to set it up with flat belt drive. I've ordered the new flat belts for this too, so I'll pick them up next week, which is good. I've got the proper alligator clips, lacing clips for it too. Somebody's done that with copper wire.